Introduction. Welcome to Bike Informers, your trusted channel for the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we take you deep into the soul of custom motorcycle culture, where craftsmanship, engineering, and raw power come together in a machine that turns heads wherever it goes. Our focus is the 2025 Big Bear Chopper's Athena ProStreet, a motorcycle that captures the essence of American chopper tradition while infusing it with modern performance, precision, and artistry. The Athena ProStreet has always been a symbol of individuality, boldness, and custom bike excellence, and the 2025 model continues that legacy with updated engineering, a powerful engine, and striking design details that blend tradition with modern innovation. The legacy of Big Bear Choppers. Big Bear Choppers, based in California, has been a pioneer in the custom chopper scene for decades. Founded with the vision of giving riders motorcycles that are not just machines but pieces of rolling art, the company quickly rose to fame for its radical designs, flawless craftsmanship, and iconic chopper geometry. The Athena ProStreet has been one of their flagship models, representing the brand's ability to merge long, stretched frames and bold aesthetics with rideable performance. Unlike many custom bikes that are built only for show, Big Bear ensures that the Athena ProStreet is a bike you can truly ride, whether on highways or city streets, without compromising on comfort or reliability. The 2025 edition takes everything riders loved about the Athena and refines it further, offering a perfect balance of beauty, aggression, and high-performance engineering. Design philosophy, a rolling work of art. The 2025 Athena ProStreet is built with a design-first philosophy, ensuring every line, curve, and surface communicates power and elegance. The stretched frame, low stance, and long raked front end make it instantly recognizable as a ProStreet chopper. This is a motorcycle that demands attention whether parked or in motion. The bike embraces boldness with its sweeping fuel tank design, hand-sculpted fenders, and custom paint options that allow each rider to truly make the bike their own. Big Bear offers stunning graphics, metallic finishes, and two-tone combinations that elevate the Athena into a true work of art. The hand-built nature of this motorcycle ensures that no two Athena ProStreet bikes are identical. From the carefully machined billet aluminum parts to the hand-laid paintwork, every detail reflects craftsmanship of the highest order. The bike radiates individuality, and that's what sets it apart from mass-produced motorcycles. Frame and geometry, the backbone of power. At the heart of the Athena ProStreet's design is its custom-designed frame, built for both visual appeal and mechanical strength. The stretched backbone and low-slung profile create the quintessential chopper silhouette, while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The frame geometry includes an extended rake on the front end, a wide rear stance to accommodate fat custom tires, and reinforced steel construction for durability. The bike offers a perfect mix of long-distance cruising comfort and street performance. Unlike many radical choppers that compromise rideability, the Athena ProStreet is engineered for control, balance, and rider confidence. Engine, the beating heart. The 2025 Athena ProStreet is powered by a massive V-twin engine, the soul of every true American chopper. Big Bear Choppers equips this model with a 111 cubic inch, 1819 cubic centimeters, to 124 cubic inch, 2032 cubic centimeters. SNS V-twin engine option, delivering raw torque and muscle that defines the riding experience. The motor is air-cooled, ensuring simplicity and reliability while maintaining that deep, throaty exhaust note that riders crave. With power figures ranging around 120 plus horsepower and torque outputs north of 120 lb-ft, the Athena ProStreet is more than capable of launching forward with authority. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and effortless highway cruising. The wide torque band means riders get immediate response at any RPM, making city riding equally enjoyable. The 2025 model also features refined fuel mapping for smoother throttle response and better efficiency without sacrificing performance. Exhaust system, the voice of the beast. The exhaust system on the 2025 Athena ProStreet is a masterpiece of both function and style. Big Bear Choppers equips the bike with custom-designed chrome or matte finish pipes that not only optimize airflow but also produce that unmistakable deep growl of an American V-twin. The exhaust note is aggressive yet refined, perfectly complementing the bike's personality. Each twist of the throttle delivers a symphony of mechanical music that resonates with the soul of every rider and draws the attention of everyone within earshot. Wheels and tires, bold stance. The Athena ProStreet sits on massive custom wheels, available in several designs that range from solid billet to intricate spoke patterns. The front wheel typically spans 21 inches, creating that tall, stretched-out look, while the rear wheel can accommodate 18 inches with a 300mm wide tire for an aggressive stance. This wide rear tire isn't just for looks. It delivers excellent traction and stability, especially when handling the massive torque from the V-twin engine. The wheels are polished or powder-coated to match the bike's overall custom theme, giving it a flawless and commanding road presence. Suspension and handling. Rideability redefined. Choppers are often criticized for their lack of comfort and handling, but the 2025 Athena ProStreet is built differently. It incorporates a progressive suspension system, with a telescopic front fork and a hidden rear monoshock that preserves the rigid look while providing actual ride comfort. This setup absorbs road imperfections, offering smoother rides compared to traditional rigid-frame choppers. Combined with the bike's low center of gravity and balanced geometry, the Athena ProStreet manages to deliver responsive handling, making it equally suitable for cruising and spirited riding. Braking system, stopping the beast. With a motorcycle of this size and power, braking performance is critical. The 2025 Athena ProStreet features dual front disc brakes with performance calipers and a single rear disc brake to provide strong stopping power. Riders can rely on progressive braking response, ensuring safety without compromising the bike's aesthetic. The braking components are sourced from high-performance manufacturers, guaranteeing reliability even under aggressive riding conditions. Comfort and ergonomics, built for the rider. Despite its radical looks, the Athena ProStreet is surprisingly comfortable. The stretched frame, low seat height, and forward controls create an ergonomic triangle that suits longer rides. The rider sits low and back, giving the sensation of commanding the road ahead. The custom leather seat, available in multiple stitching and material options, adds both comfort and visual appeal. The handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on the shoulders, making the bike accessible to a wide range of riders while still delivering that classic chopper feel. Technology and modern touches. While the Athena ProStreet remains true to the old-school chopper spirit, the 2025 model incorporates subtle modern touches to enhance usability. A minimalist digital gauge cluster provides essential information such as speed, RPM, and fuel level without cluttering the clean design. LED lighting is used for the headlamp, tail light, and turn signals, ensuring excellent visibility and reliability. These modern updates enhance safety and convenience while blending seamlessly with the motorcycle's retro-inspired styling. Customization, a bike that reflects you. One of the hallmarks of Big Bear choppers is customization. The Athena ProStreet offers an extensive catalog of options, including custom paint schemes and finishes, different wheel and tire designs, handlebars, grips, and control styles, seat materials and stitching patterns, exhaust variations for tone and style. This ensures that every Athena ProStreet becomes a unique extension of its rider's personality, not just a motorcycle off the production line. Riding experience, living the dream. Riding the 2025 Athena ProStreet is more than just transportation. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement. The combination of the roaring V-twin engine, the stretched frame, and the commanding presence makes every ride feel special. The bike handles long highway cruises with ease, thanks to its comfortable ergonomics and smooth power delivery. At the same time, it thrives in city environments, where its head-turning looks and growling exhaust make it impossible to ignore. Every ride on the Athena ProStreet reminds you why choppers have remained timeless symbols of freedom, rebellion, and individuality. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Big Bear Choppers Athena ProStreet is positioned as a premium motorcycle, reflecting its handcrafted build quality and exclusivity. Prices are expected to start around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on customization choices. With each bike being hand-assembled to order, delivery times may vary, but the wait is